Made some improvements to the Dolphin bike. Running pretty good now. Way more power. Probably does about, I don't know, 22 miles an hour now, something like that. Yeah, move the carburetor, did some improvements to the intake manifold, got a bunch of little minor changes, but good ones I think. Play with the mixture a little bit when it idles there. Anyway, pretty smooth. Take care.